we'll be finding the centroid for this triangle. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline AB using our T-square and our pencil. Then we're going to measure the length of the line AB. So we're going to mark B, then we're going to mark A, then we're going to label B, and we're going to label A. So what we're going to do, we're going to extend the line to the left of A because we will constructing the 90-degree angle using our compass at A. So we need to extend the line to the left of A. We're going to open our compass to any radius about 2 centimeters. I'm going to mark a semicircle to intersect the baseline. Then where the semicircle intersect the baseline, we're going to use the same radius to mark 2 arcs to intersect the semicircle. Where the arcs intersect the semicircle, mark an arc, same radius there. The line drawn through the last pair of intersecting arcs, that line will be 90 degrees. So we use our pencil and our set square or a ruler, if you have a ruler, and we're drawing that line. All right, this line would be a construction line. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to measure the height of the triangle. So we measure, and then we label that point C. Then we use our ruler to connect the points C to B to form the required triangle. So we use our ruler and our pencil to draw the triangle ABC, the right angle triangle ABC. Okay? All right. The next thing we're going to do now, we'll be finding the centroid for the given triangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to bisect the side BC so that we can find the midpoint on the side BC. So open our compass greater than half and we mark an arc from B and C to intersect. And where the two arcs, the 4 pairs of the 2 arcs intersect at the top, we mark that point, and where the 2 arcs intersect on the bottom, we draw a line through the pairs of intersecting arcs. We're going to do the same thing to the side AC, so we're going to mark an arc. Same radius from C. We're going to mark an arc to the left and the right of the line AC. Then we're going to use our ruler to draw the bisector. Then we're going to bisect the baseline AB using our compass. So compass, we're going to mark an arc above and below the line. Same radius from B. We're going to mark an arc above and below the line AB. Where the arcs intersect, we're going to draw a line that will be the bisector, right? So this is our bisector line. All right, so the purpose of bisecting the lines is to get the midpoints on the 3 sides of the triangle. Right, so from B, I'm going to draw the median, which is a line to the midpoint of the side AC. So I have the first median there. I'm going to draw the next median from C to the midpoint of the line AB using my pencil and my ruler. Then I'm going to draw a line from A to the midpoint of BC where the 3 medians intersect. That is the centroid for the given triangle. So we'll put a dot there and then we'll label it C. All right? So good job if you followed along. So what we're doing, we're drawing the centroid for the given triangle. So we're going to denote the sides which are equal. So BC, we're going to put 3 lines here to indicate that that is half the line BC. And we also did that to AB. and AC. All right, we're going to draw some guidelines and we're going to label the drawing. So we're going to label 2 to find the centroid of the triangle A, B, C. So this is our centroid right here, right? We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to construct the centroid for a given triangle. In the next video, we'll be looking at how do we draw similar triangles, and we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then, and take care from CAD with Mr. U, where we aim to become your favorite math channel. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.